Okay, good afternoon, Nasim Ahmed. Let's talk about education. My first question is to you. Should a school teach both arts and science? What do you think?
Well, I think education, balanced education is both side of arts and science is good. Science teach us practical, and arts teach us creativity. They make us creativity and others social things. That's why I think both of the education subject like arts and science are good.
Okay, my second question is to you. What kinds of courses are useful for university student?
I think practical subjects are useful to the university student because it is give us a more opportunity to get a good job, and we can get a good job a short time when we educated a practical subject.
Okay, my third question is to you. Why do some students dislike studying at a school?
Some student dislike study of school because some school provide narrow classrooms. Their facility is not good. That times some students cannot go there. But I think some school are good, like the private school program. This is good for education.
Okay, thank you, Nasim.